Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make caramel drizzle for coffee using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Make sure you have a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan and a whisk ready. This recipe is fantastic because it skips the butter, offering a slightly lighter, yet equally delicious, drizzle for your favorite coffee drinks. Now, let's start making that delicious caramel base. In your heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water. Place the pan over medium-high heat. This is crucial. Do not stir the mixture. Just let it heat up. You'll see the sugar melt and then begin to bubble, eventually transforming into a beautiful, rich amber color. Keep a close eye on it to prevent burning. This next step requires a little caution. Once your caramel reaches that perfect amber hue, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. Now, slowly and carefully pour in 1/2 cup of warm heavy cream. It's important to whisk continuously as you pour. The mixture will bubble up quite vigorously, so be prepared for that. Keep whisking until everything is smoothly combined and the caramel is uniform. Keep whisking your caramel for another minute or two until it achieves a smooth, luscious, and pourable consistency. It should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon beautifully. Once you're happy with the texture, let the caramel drizzle cool completely. This is important before you transfer it to an airtight container. You can then store your delicious homemade caramel in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next coffee creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.